Interesting birds these are. These are the plain chachalacas. And after studying them, or not really studying, photographing them, enjoying what how they spend their day and everything, they really are quite a social bird. They enjoy each other's company. And I don't see them fight very, I mean, I don't think I have ever recognized them fight each other. We just saw that one chase that dove off, but between each other, they seem to be happy. And, when they come out like this to the watering hole, they it's the young ones to grandpa and grandma. They all go out there and just enjoy each other's company. Well, we're on the Cornell Labs website and we're getting some information on Plain Chachalaca. The video did have a little bit of some Chachalaca, but if you want to hear what they sound like, and this is Texas, and I guess the southeast corner of the United States, and you see the Chachalaca comes up into the very bottom of Texas. And if you live in Texas or if you live in the United States, the only place you're going to see them is down here in deep South Texas. And where they get their name from is and repeated, and it's kind of like a chakalaka, chakalaka, chakalaka.